Walk you through how to load your portfolio to our website on Smugmug. Remember, it needs to be your large JPEGs, not screenshots, and not small thumbnails, large JPEGs. So first things first, make sure you know where your images are, your actual JPEGs. And then we're going to go to whs.smugmug.com /2024. When you go here, it should not be logged in yet. It should say spring 2024 right there. If it does not say spring 2024, you type something wrong. This is our Woodside High School portfolio stuff. Now you go all the way to the bottom. There's probably going to be a whole bunch of stuff here right now. There's just one sample. There's going to be a whole bunch of galleries or people's portfolios. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and find where it says login. Click on login. You'll use my email address, acampbell@seq.org, and then I will give you the password for the day. Hit login. And it looks similar, except now we're actually logged in. Click on upload into new gallery. Do not do these other twos. Do into new gallery. New gallery is the term for your personal page or gallery. That's going to be your portfolio. The title, you're going to first type the word period, space, and then a number that represents what period you're in. First period, second period, third period, fourth period, whatever it is. Space, and then your name, first name and last name. And then the description. This is my 2023, 2024 digital photography portfolio. And whatever else you want. You got to spell portfolio correctly though. And then keywords. This is in Google searches and stuff like that. What will make it come up? You could type WHS, comma, Woodside, comma, your name if you wanted to, student portfolio, and other keywords. Feature image. After you have loaded some images, you can click this to designate which photo will show up as like your main photo. Custom URL. This will make it easier for you to type in the URL. Right now, as it is, that's the huge, ugly. It's going to be whs.smugmug.com/2024/ and then whatever you type in there. So if you wanted to customize it, you could customize it, and you'll see down here that that part is changing. So there, that's about as simple as you can get it. Let me just put a number at the end because I may have made others. Now I take my photos and upload them here. So I go ahead and locate the photos that I want to put in here. I'm just going to grab a whole bunch of awesome photos you guys have created throughout the year. I'm kind of doing this randomly. Sorry if I missed yours. I'm just selecting a bunch semi-randomly and dropping them in here. And now it's showing slowly, it's loading them in. So you select your 10, your 5 depth and 5 breadth. If you need to select more, I have 9 in there. So, oops, I forgot one. So you can go back and load that one. Or if you are done, click the X here to close that. And now it's showing my gallery. Oh, look who we have. So these are some images that are there. And it just choose one to put up there. You can customize it and tell it which one you want up there by designating the main page, the main photo. So when you click on them and get the larger version, go over to that little eye there and you can start adding photo details. Give each photo a title so the viewer knows what they're looking at, and the caption. So the title is usually short and brief. anywhere from 1 to 5 words. The caption could be a couple of sentences or just keywords or whatever. Actually, no, not keywords. Keywords goes down here in the searches. So you could just say, I don't know who this is. Let's just say Sarah, and then you could talk about this was a silhouette from a photo, and then I typed in words that represented my friend Sarah or whatever. Click save when you're done. And things show up. Then you go to your next one. Do the same thing. There is a little bit of data here that tells me the file size and things of that sort. So go ahead and do this to every single photo. And once you're done, they show up here. And whatever you typed will show up when I mouse over it, will show up down here. Let me add a little bit more so you can see what's going on. So now when you mouse over, you can see there's the title big, and then the caption is smaller and gives detail. So that way, when people mouse over it, they'll be able to see what's going on with each photo. Kind of cool stuff. And then when you're 100% done with this, you can, I think, go to settings. Yes, when you click, did you see how I did that? Let me hit cancel. Right now I'm in my own gallery. When you're in your own gallery, click on settings. That's settings just for your gallery. You can change the description if you want. You can change the feature image to whichever you want. And it doesn't change one. No, yeah. Yep, it changes what goes up there. And also when people go to the overall when they go to the huge all my classes, you can see that pops up and it puts the main photo in there that I selected. And there you go. You can now log out and see what it looks like when you send the link of whs.smugmug.com 2024 to other people. Or let me get rid of the 2024 and you'll see that we now have spring 2024 is represented and all the previous years where we did this. So that's what we have.